Lifelong learning as a trader. The most successful traders never stop learning. Markets evolve, technologies change, and new opportunities constantly emerge. If you want long-term success, you have to commit to lifelong learning. Start with education. Take structured courses from trusted platforms, attend webinars, read trading books, and follow financial thought leaders. Even if you've been trading for years, there's always a new angle or insight waiting to sharpen your edge. One of the most powerful learning tools is your own experience. This is where your trading journal becomes invaluable. Document your wins, your mistakes, and the thought process behind every decision. Over time, your own history becomes your best teacher. Don't underestimate the value of mentorship and networking. Learning from someone who's been in your shoes can fast-track your progress. Engage in trading communities, forums, Discord groups, mastermind circles, anywhere you can exchange ideas and get feedback. Finally, keep a mindset of curiosity and humility. Be open to experimenting with new strategies, trying out tools like AI-driven analysis or automated trading bots, and learning from others, even if they're newer than you. Trading is not just a profession, it's a craft. And like any craft, the more you invest in learning, the sharper your skills become. Click the link in description to learn more.